Ukrainian President Vladimir Zelensky saying a deal to end the war with Russia was a very faraway thought has drawn a furious response by Donald Trump. America will not put up with it for much longer, the US president said in a social media post before accusing Zelensky of not wanting peace. A summit of mostly European leaders in London on Sunday agreed with a 4-point plan to guarantee Ukraine's defense in the event of a peace deal with Russia. Probably not a great statement to have been made in terms of a show of strength against Russia. Also, what are they thinking? Trump said, apparently referring to the summit held 2 days after his fiery clash with Zelensky at the Oval Office. The summit hosted by the UK Prime Minister Keir Starmer was intended as a show of support for Ukraine and an attempt to reduce differences between Western countries over Ukraine. Britain and France said they were on the working with the European-led solution to the conflict. Also, after the meeting, Zelensky said a deal to end the war between Ukraine and Russia was still very far away. He added that he expected the US to continue backing Ukraine despite his own fraught relation with Trump. I believe that Ukraine has a strong enough partnership with the United States of America, Zelensky said late on Sunday, but on Monday, Trump responded by reiterating his view that Zelensky stood in the way of peace negotiation. This is the worst statement that could have been made by Zelensky, and America will not put up with it for much longer, is what I was saying. This guy doesn't want there to be peace as long as he's as America's backing. He wrote on his Truth social media platform that during a news briefing later on Monday, Trump once again said that Zelensky should be more appreciative for the aid he has received from the United States in the 3 years since Russia's full-scale invasion of Ukraine. During the confrontation in front of cameras at the White House, both Trump of was the US President J.D. Vance also expressed anger about what they perceived as Zelensky's lack of gratitude. Just say thank you, Vance demanded at one point. He added that he would provide an update on the minerals deal late on Tuesday. After the London summit, the UK and France suggested a European coalition of the willing to defend Ukraine and to make sure Russia would not invade after a peace deal is negotiated.